Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Onkyo receiver remote is not working or not responding at all, it can make controlling your entire audio setup frustrating because everything from volume to input selection depends on that remote. What makes this issue tricky is that the remote might look perfectly fine on the outside, yet it stops communicating with the receiver. This can happen due to simple reasons like battery issues, signal interference, incorrect mode settings, or even temporary glitches in the receiver itself. Instead of assuming the remote is damaged, it's better to go through a few important checks step by step to restore proper functionality. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to fix your Onkyo receiver remote and get it responding smoothly again. Try these. 1. Replace the old batteries with new ones and ensure correct placement. 2. Restart the receiver by turning it off and turning it back on. 3. Point the remote directly at the receiver and remove any obstacles. 4. Check that the remote is set to the correct control mode for the receiver. 5. Clean the remote buttons and sensor area to remove dust or dirt. 6. Test the remote again by adjusting volume or changing inputs to confirm response.